Can't I adjust myself? I saw a guy on the bus this morning twisting his own neck until it popped. Can't I just do that? I'm a chiropractor. I know how to adjust, where to adjust, and when to adjust, and I cannot adjust myself. That's why I married a chiropractor. So if someone who is highly trained and skilled at performing a chiropractic adjustment can't adjust himself, it would be highly unlikely for you to be able to do it either. Many people have been injured just trying to adjust themselves or by having someone who is not properly trained attempting to adjust or manipulate them. Never allow anybody who is not a properly trained chiropractor to try to adjust your spine.